Hello guys, so I want to make a quick video on how to make a place an order for this course. Now I don't know, this is supposed to be easy, but some people still need a little guidance on how to do it. So when you get to this page, once you click the link to this, is a course. It's not an ebook or anything. It's an online course. So once you get to this page, just go scroll down and click on the button that says register here. Now if the amount here, if the currency here is not the currency of your country, simply go up here that says the currency, click on it and select the currency that is that your country uses. If you're in Nigeria, is already here in Nigeria. If normally what seller does is it tracks your location. Let's say you're in the US, it will change automatically to US dollar. If you're in Nigeria, it will change automatically to naira. So if you load the page and it's not the currency of your country, you can go here, click on it, click on this option here and select the currency. Let's say is US dollar, for example, that you want to place in order. You select US dollar, it will reload. Let me select US dollar, for example. I've selected USD. As you can see, the price have changed from 5,000 naira to $5. So once you've done that, click on register now. So register here, enter your details, enter your name, your email address. Now, if there's a coupon code, you enter, but this particular course, there's no coupon code. So go ahead and click on pay now. Now once you click on pay now, there will be options where you can pay. I think a US dollar you need to pay with only credit card, but if you're in Nigeria, for example, you can pay with other options like OPay, uh, direct transfer and other stuff. Although if you're in Nigeria and you contact me via WhatsApp, I will give you two Nigerian bank accounts you can send me money directly to and send me proof of payment. That's if you don't want to make the payment online, if you don't want to go through the online process of making payments, you can simply use your phone and do transfer. Then send me the proof of the payment. Once you make the transfer, there will be receipt. Each banking app has a receipt. You send me that receipt as a proof of payment. I will confirm it on my end, and then I will now add you to the course. You start learning how to create your own Stripe account. Very simple, guys. Very easy. So, so waiting for this to load. So I changed the currency back to naira so it's to see those options. So click on register here. See this is the cards. Click on checkout. Enter your name, your email address, and click on pay now. Now the page will load up. Depending on your network connection and how strong your network is, it will be fast. So just be patient where this loads up. You know, some of you, when the page starts delaying in the loading, they cancel the order and say it's not working. It's actually working. It's just you need to be patient. Sometimes it's network connection. If your network is strong, if your network is poor, it will take time. So you go to a place that has more stronger network and then try it again. So once the option loads up, there is a card option. You can use your credit card. If you don't want to use a credit card, you can click on transfer. Now, what the transfer does is that it will give you an account details to make the transfer to. This account, that this will be which bank? Yeah, bank name is Paystack Titan. If you check to your app, you see this bank name. You enter your bank account number and then enter the amount, make the transfer. Once you made the transfer, you click on I've sent money. This one is even faster than even sending money manually. You click on I've made transfer and the system will check, it will track it. This particular account you are paying in now is generated specifically for you and it expires. Okay, it will expire in like 30 minutes. So there'll be countdown here, checking telling you how much time you have left to make the transfer. So if you make the transfer within this time, just click on I've sent money and the system will load and confirm that you have sent that money, and then it will be automatically added to the course. Now, this doesn't require me manually adding you to the course. Once you make payment through seller, you'll be automatically added to the course. The only time that I manually add you is if you send money directly to me. That will be through WhatsApp. I will give you the details there. So yeah, I made a lot of options for you. Just choose the one that is more easier for you. You can make through bank transfer, select your bank, can click on the option here and select your bank, easy access bank, ecobank, fidelity. Select your bank here and then make a transfer. You can use short code. Select your the short code here is GT Bank. There should be also other options here, but it's only GT. Just use any of the options here that is okay with you, that is easier. So once you've made the payment, you'll be automatically added to the course. Then you can start learning. Now, there's also a done for you service. I made a video on how to place an order for that as well. Also, in the course, there will be a video as well, and also how to make the place an order. That's if you want us to create the account for you. But with this particular course, there will be no need to place that order because you will learn. It's very easy. I will show you how to do everything by yourself. You should be able to do it by yourself. So, guys, that's how to place an order for this course. Once you place an order here, you'll be automatically added. Like I said, if you want to be manually added, then you send payment directly to me with the number details I sent to you on WhatsApp. So guys, that's how to place an order for this Stripe account setup. Remember, we are the course is in two sections. The section where you can create a Stripe account without an EIN, and another option where you can create a Stripe account as a registered business in the US. The two of them are combined into one course, and you're paying just a little money for it. So go ahead and jump in, start registering and start learning right now. You can also inform your friends so that they can learn and use the information to help their business create Stripe accounts to boost their business online. It's very important to have Stripe account. So guys, I will see you on the inside after you've made the payments and registered for the course. Take care of yourself. Bye.